Well, hello again. Welcome back to our channel. We are at it again. As you can see, we are now working on our 1973 Shasta trailer. We purchased some vents to replace the old ones, and right now he is trying to get to the screws so that we can get the old vents out. But apparently the people that had the trailer before had put some weird caulking over everything, so the screws are sort of hidden. So he's working on that right now. So it's been a little while since we've been on for the trailer itself. Our channel is called Life's Little Detours, and sometimes those detours include our bills, mortgage, car payments, etc. And we are just a middle-class family. We both work full-time jobs, and we don't necessarily always have the money to buy what we need for our trailer. So we have big periods of time where we don't work on it. But we did purchase our two vents and what was the other thing we purchased? A vent cover and two vents. So those are in, and we are going to replace those now. And then we're going to put a new roofing material over the top of the trailer once we get those in. We also have to do a little bit of framing on the inside before we put those vents in. So that's what we're working on now. So come along for the journey.
Alright, so we're replacing that vent. We're replacing that vent. And then that broken one way over in the corner, I bought the cover for that too. And as you can see, somebody poured the caulking on here like super thick, and it's super old, so it's baked on to like a tar. Oh, there's another screw right there.
Oh.
I was hitting it like, what the hell am I hitting?
So apparently whoever tried to refurbish this once before did a really crappy job. They put roofing tar
For homes.
and caulking, and it's just a mess. So we have our work ahead of us. Be careful.
Yeah.
That's roofing tar. It is thick and caked on up there. Cool. Need to get that wire out of there.
The wire goes in there.
Oh, it does?
Perfect. Sometimes I'm too good.
Do you want to pull it down and show it?
Or
Huh?
that wood's kind of rotten, you know. I think I need a longer screw for that.
Okay.
Maybe on the garage get too long wood screws. I wanted it to go into that good wood, which it did.
Good.
Wire. There we go.
Sweet.
We're ready to put a.
Awesome.
Let's see if I move this wire. There.
Cool. Looks like it fits. There it goes. Oh, it's just the screen is kind of hanging weird. But it looks like it's on.
I'll do the screws on. I want you to go in there and make sure it's sitting looking straight, and then I'll screw down just the four corners to make sure we got it good.
Okay.
Wow,
Right now.
that looks.
What?
You should see the crappy one that's up here.
Yeah, I did. I saw it. Well, we took out that vent over there. That was above the refrigerator, and this entire framing fell down. So obviously we're gonna have to replace that. And right now he's trying to chisel out all the caulk that they use. I don't know what these people were thinking, but they were not using their brain at all when they redid this. Obviously they were
only thinking of the short term.
They were thinking short term. Get it fixed, get it sold. Now we know for the future if we ever decide to buy something again, we need to take a look at the roof, obviously. Get up on a ladder and see what they've done. This is turning out to be...
For our watchers, if you buy one of these things and you see roofing tar on top of it, black
Run.
tar,
Run. Oh goodness. One thing after another. This is our money pit apparently. Hopefully not.
The time pit.
Time pit, not a money pit.
Here's the finished product on the inside. And for now, I've got this board over here. I've got this metal propping up this board until I can get around to redoing the framing. I don't really have time during the week because I work, so I'll have to do it this weekend. So next week's video should be me removing that second vent, replacing it with an identical, same exact vent as this one here. I just bought two of them. And then this over here, there used to be a refrigerator right there. There's not going to be a refrigerator there anymore, so I'm actually going to seal that hole. And then I bought a plastic like vent cover to put over the top of the plywood that I'm going to use to cover the hole, so it'll hide the little piece of plywood. So it should look pretty good, but we'll see. Oh, and then after we do that, I'm going to roll on some rubberized paint that's made for RV roofs. So I know this week's video was kind of short and to the point, but anyway, I'm pretty happy with the work we got done so far. Next week we plan to replace 2 more vents and hopefully put the white epoxy roll-on onto the roof to seal it up nice and tight, because winter's definitely coming. If you've enjoyed what you've seen so far, please like and subscribe. We got a whole lot more videos going to be coming on the updates and repairs and everything that I plan to do this trailer. Plus, as you know, if you've seen any of our other videos, we do a lot of local trips to different events here in California. And then we have a few more planned already, so it should be interesting. All right, bye.